I was telling you guys is that I want to put this thing on corn, so I ended up getting injectors. What's up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today I kind of want to just make a little video giving you guys an update of what's been going on, man. Well, I haven't really been posting the Mustang too much, and what do we got going, planned moving forward for this car. So first of all, I wanted to show you this cool thing that I got from this company called Dyna Performance of a new steering wheel I got for the car. So pretty stoked on this. Steering wheel is pretty sick. Kind of matches my interior quite a bit. So check this out. Yep, your boy got that carbon fiber, a little suede, and you got the shift lights on there as well. So this thing is beautiful. I've had it for a little bit now. Just have not unboxed it, and that's what it looks like. Also, I think there's another piece in here somewhere. So this is the e-brake little thing, so they kind of match. So looks pretty cool, especially in the sunlight. Kind of see a little weave on it. So pretty excited about this. Only thing is, I don't know how to install it because I don't know, the wiring is a little confusing and didn't come with like good instructions for me to know how to do it. So either I'm taking it to the shop, or if one of my subscribers knows how to do it, hit me up on Instagram. Would love to pay one of you guys to help me out with this install. So let's go ahead and hop in here real quick. So I ended up getting this overlay from Dyna Performance as well. Carbon fiber start button, kind of cool. And this little piece right here as well. So all of this, once the steering wheel and the e-brake are done also, it's going to look really good. My radar detector is up here. I want to get that hardwired, just like I do my black view. So all that will get sorted out pretty soon here. But first of all, let's go ahead and kind of get this car out of here. I'll go for a little bit of a drive. Kind of need to talk to you guys about what's next in terms of power. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a cold start here. Here we go. All right, she's warmed up now, so let's go ahead and get out of here. Goddamn things right here, right in front of my house, and my radar just goes crazy anytime I pass by it. Still not all the way warmed up. I just took her out, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I get on it. Let's see what gas is at today. So today is 3.279. Don't judge me, my car is filthy right now. Probably wash it later when the sun kind of goes down a little bit. Not trying to wash it in this heat. We're gonna put a little bit of gas, maybe like 15 bucks, to get us around for the next day or two, because we have some new plans and some new fuel that'll be going in. Anybody else try to time it perfectly? I got close. 15.04. There we go. Make sure there's no drips or anything. All right, so you guys saw me. I didn't fill up the car all the way, and the reason being is because this car is going to be on a new fuel very soon. And what I mean is we're going on E85. So Mustangs NA, they like E85, because I know, because I had my car on E85 before and it made really good power. So boosted, they love E85, and I mean they love that corn. You have a boosted Mustang, throw that thing on corn, you're making, not only is the car happier because you're getting a higher octane fuel, but it's also a lot safer. So the risk of you messing up your engine produced, and that's something I want. Which brings me to today's video. I kind of waited a little bit. I like to do my modding in stages where I start off, you know, kind of light mods, and slowly turn it up. So I'm getting comfortable with the power, and I know where the car kind of stands with everything. Put the windows up. And that's really how I like to do things, you know. Some people like to jump in, you know, all at once. That's just not my style, you know. Everybody has a different style. Some people like to full send it, as they say. I'm not that type of person. I'm not trying to full send my bank account every 5 minutes. It just is not a fun way to do stuff. So I like to do my modding in stages, kind of start off, you know, first things first. We went kind of stock for a while, got comfortable with the car, banged gears, raced it, had our fun with it. Then we did kind of like an NA, little Lund tune, 85, with an intake. That was a lot of fun. Tried that out, got used to the new power, got used to the car. Car liked everything. We didn't have no issues. And then we ended up getting a Whipple. So stage 2 Whipple. I ran the Whipple tune. I've been running it up until now, and it's a good tune. You know, obviously I'm still scared because of hear kind of horror stories of like the tune blowing up motors and stuff like that and causing problems. But I tried to be kind of a little on the cautious side with the way I drive this thing, not beating on it every time I take it out, and you know, making sure that I keep my eye on the oil pressure, checking my oil, checking my coolant, kind of preventative maintenance stuff that you should be doing when you have a boosted car that's making good horsepower. So ideally the next step is to go on corn, and in order to do 85 on this car you need a few things, which once we pull over I'll tell you all about them, show you what's good. And also you do, or you should think about doing your oil pump gears, which I am going to do. So really the hold up in this whole situation has been the oil pump gears not getting in here on time. I ordered them from a company called Team Beefcake Racing. They said they'd be here in a week. It's been 2 weeks, still have not got them. So they've been kind of lagging on sending them out. They said that it's due to the virus and everything, so that's understood. So once we get those oil pump gears in here, which should be coming in within the next week, I'll get the car kind of scheduled in the shop, and we'll get those installed and turn up the power. You know, I kind of want to be at like 800 wheel horsepower with this thing. That's kind of my goal. I don't know if we're going to hit it or not. I'm not sure, but you know, that's kind of really where I want to be at. And if we hit it, cool. If not, then you know, we'll have to just do some more mods and get there another way. Good looking out, homie. Let's turn on this radar detector. I don't want to get snagged by a cop. Yeah, you got a Honda over there. Hey, good looking out, guys. Shout out to the car community, man. We come together in times of need. So back to what I was saying, man. We're putting this car on corn. I gotta pull off here somewhere and then make sure that that check engine light that I keep getting is not anything new. So I found the spot, boys. Found the spot. I'm gonna cruise up to it now. The goal is one day to get a house on these hills up here. see all that. It's all whole city in front of you. So we'll just chill right here for a little bit. All right, let's close these windows up. Go out there and kind of show you guys what's good. But man, check that view out. God damn, that is beautiful. That is some goals right there. Already know we gotta snag some pictures because this view is pretty sick, so make sure y'all check me out on Instagram. Anyways, what I was telling you guys is that I want to put this thing on corn. So in order to go on corn, we need a few things. So let me go ahead and show you kind of what I ended up picking up. So the biggest problem with these cars, once you want to go on corn, is obviously getting enough fueling for it. Because if you go on E85, the car requires a lot more volume. So you need a lot more E85 than you would need like 91 because of the ethanol that's in there. So you got to pump a lot more fuel up to the motor in order to be able to handle it. Obviously you need injectors also, bigger injectors, so you can supply the motor with more fuel. So I ended up getting injectors. I bought them off my friend. So I got a pretty good deal on those. And he only ran them for I think like 1,000 miles or so. And we also got I ended up buying this online, which is a VMP booster pump, so a fuel pump voltage booster. So what that means is we can get that stage 2 Whipple pump that's already in there that came with the kit. We can bump up the voltage to it and then give that motor more fuel. Also got the IAT harness and brass air sensor kit. So pretty much a lot of tuners will require you to get the sensor relocated through this harness so that you can get the temperature. I think that's like past the blower, before the blower, something like that. Not exactly sure, but Whipple does it a certain way. A lot of tuners do it in different ways, so that's why they make you get this. And lastly, we ended up getting a new N gauge because pretty sure I want to have Palm Beach dyno tune the car. So those are the things that I need. So we'll get this installed, but the last piece of the puzzle that I'm waiting for right now is the oil pump gear. So I don't want to do any of this stuff until I get the oil pump gears done. I don't want to keep just kind of playing my luck with this motor, so I'd rather just kind of have the oil pump gears done and then throw this thing on the 85, get to go out there, bang gears, and not have to worry about the motor you know, being destroyed. So that is your little update on the car, on what's happening with it. Those are the plans. This thing will be on corn pretty soon, hopefully the next week or two, and then I'm gonna have it ceramic coated, and she'll just be like this. There's a big announcement coming hopefully this week if things work out on the new car, and I don't think you guys are ready for it, so that's all I'm gonna say right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and snag a few pictures here, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. It's your boy Rush. Catch you in the next one. Peace. You know, I can't leave you guys without a little pull, so we're gonna do a pull here getting on the freeway.